Hi everyone! So in this video we are going to be making Godiva Molten Lava Cakes. I've tried a bunch of different lava cake mixes from my local grocery store and I have to say that this is my favorite. Not only is it really easy to make, but it tastes just like what you get at a fancy restaurant. And just make sure you have some French vanilla ice cream and you can just enjoy this really delicious dessert at home. So let's begin. So of course we're going to need our Godiva Molten Lava Cake mix. It includes 3 bags and each bag makes 2 cakes. So I'm going to be making 4 today, so I've taken 2 bags and 4 of the foil baking cups which are included in the box, 1/3 cup of salted butter, and 2 eggs. So to start, we're just going to melt 1/3 cup of butter and we're going to melt it down completely in the microwave. Make sure that you put a cover on top of the bowl so that the butter doesn't splatter everywhere. So now that we've melted our butter, we can go ahead and add in our cake mix. So I'm adding in 2 bags, like I said, this will make 4 cakes. Each bag makes 2 cakes. And then we're going to mix this really well using a whisk. And make sure that you get this as smooth as possible. I also did want to mention that you will need to adjust the amount of butter and egg you're using depending on how many cakes you're making, so just double check on the back of the box for the correct amounts if you're making 2 or 6 cakes, because here I'm showing you how to make 4. Once our mix is nice and smooth, we're going to microwave this for 20 seconds. Again, don't forget to cover it, we don't want this splattering anywhere. Once we've done that, we're going to add in 2 eggs and make sure we mix this really well. This is the part where you're probably going to be mixing the longest because we want to get this as smooth as possible. So once that's thoroughly mixed, we're going to grease our foil baking cups and start filling them up with our cake mix. So just fill them up about 1/3 of the way. We don't want to fill this to the top because remember, it is going to rise. Just a quick tip, if you want to save some time, I would suggest preheating the oven to 400 degrees at this point so that once you're done filling up the cups, you'll be ready to put these right into the oven. So again, we're going to be baking these at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So you can see that I have my 4 cups here. We're going to put them right into the oven and bake these for between 12 to 14 minutes. You just want to make sure that the center is really nice and soft. So once you're done, you're going to take it out of the oven and let it cool down for just 2 minutes. And then once you've done that, you're going to run a knife around the edges to loosen it up. And that way it'll be really easy when we flip this over with the plate like this. We're going to flip it upside down and it'll come out of that foil cup really smoothly. So with that, our lava cakes are ready. But to really make this restaurant style, what we're going to do is drizzle some chocolate syrup or chocolate fudge onto our plate like so. And then the star of the dish is that French vanilla ice cream. We're going to add a couple of scoops of that, and that combination with the warm ooey gooey center of the lava cake is going to be really delicious. And to make this absolutely perfect, you could finish off with some powdered sugar on top of the lava cake. I didn't have any on hand today, but if I did, I definitely would have added that. So with that, you can see how easy this was and how accessible it is. You can get it at your local grocery store. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big like and share it with your friends. Comment down below with any questions or requests you may have. Subscribe for future recipes and make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post. Thanks for watching!